If HandBrake is crashing with a segmentation fault, don't worry, there are a couple of quick fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the HandBrake error segmentation fault by changing one important setting and then forcing the app to run with administrator permissions. This is a simple troubleshooting guide and it can help get HandBrake working normally again without wasting time guessing what's wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing we're going to do is disable hardware decoding inside HandBrake. This is one of the most common fixes when HandBrake starts freezing, crashing, or showing a segmentation fault error. So open HandBrake on your computer, then go to the top menu and click Tools, and then Preferences. When the Preferences window opens, look for the Video tab and select it. Inside that tab, you should see an option that says Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Uncheck that box to turn it off. Disabling hardware accelerated decoding can help because sometimes the GPU decoding feature conflicts with your system, graphics drivers, or the version of HandBrake you're using. Once you've unchecked that setting, click to save or close the Preferences window and then restart HandBrake completely. Don't just minimize the app. Make sure you close it fully and open it again so the new setting takes effect. After restarting, try using HandBrake again and see if the segmentation fault problem is gone. If the app still crashes, the next step is to force HandBrake to run as administrator. This is another simple but powerful fix, especially if the program is struggling with permissions or access issues on your computer. To do that, first close HandBrake again if it's open. Then go to the HandBrake shortcut on your desktop, Start menu, or Taskbar. Right-click the HandBrake shortcut and from the menu, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow it. This launches HandBrake with elevated access, which can sometimes resolve the segmentation fault error immediately. If running as administrator works, you may want to make that setting permanent so you don't have to do it every time. To do that, you can right-click the shortcut, open Properties, go to Compatibility, and enable the option to always run the app as administrator. That can make things easier if HandBrake keeps needing extra permissions. So to recap, the two main fixes for the HandBrake error segmentation fault are: first, turning off hardware accelerated decoding in Tools, Preferences, Video, and then restarting the app. And second, launching HandBrake with administrator privileges. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix HandBrake, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next guide.